Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. And I came out today just to enjoy flying RC helicopters because after a long time the weather is good. And I brought my KDS Innova 550. Let's give it a flight and wish me luck. Hope everything goes right. Just to have fun. Don't want to do too much. So sit back, relax and enjoy this flight. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Taking off. Man, I haven't flown helicopters in a while. Here comes my friends. I just flew a UH-60 Black Hawk from Ishin, and now I'm flying this right after that. Ni hao. 还在啊 live 还在飞啊恐怖哎啊！好恐怖哎！哈哈哈哈哈！哦，太恐怖了！
你真的是太厉害了！
谢谢。我也是害怕。
You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right